Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Honduras together. This is coffee from our premium rarities collection, and the coffee is called El Colibri Esmeralda. This coffee is of the IH Café 90 variety, and the fermentation is Las Palmas special fermentation, a Nano lot. For more information on this very special coffee, please visit our webpage. To extract the special flavors of El Colibri, please follow this recipe. You need 250 grams of third wave water at 95 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Prepare 16 grams of beans and grind them on your comandante at click 27. This supports the acidity of this coffee. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms up your V60. Now add the ground coffee and shake it for an even extraction. Pour 1. 50 grams over 7 seconds circular pouring to get water and coffee in contact and to release the trapped CO2 from the roast process, opening up all flavors. Starting at 25 seconds, the second pour, 80 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring, extracting the sweetness and the fruity flavors of this outstanding coffee from Honduras. Starting at 1 minute, the third pour, 120 grams over 10 seconds, soft circular pouring, ending with a vivid center pour of 40 grams. This results in a balanced, multi-layered clean cup, and when you swirl it, it's even cleaner. Total brew time is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Flavors of fig, cherry, mango, balsamic vinegar and dark chocolate wait in your cup. Enjoy this very special coffee from Honduras.